Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to restrict content based on logged-in users in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, open the app where you want to restrict content. Now go to the screen section and open the screen you want to protect. Click on the screen background so screen settings appear. Find the access or visibility settings on the right side. Set the screen to be visible only to logged-in users. Now click on any component you want to restrict. Use visibility rules to show the component only when a user is logged in. To restrict data, click on a list or detail screen. Set the data filter to logged-in user equals the user field. This ensures users only see their own content. Use preview to test logging in and accessing restricted content. Once that's done, your content is restricted correctly. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.